up, and it doesn't matter where it's lined up when you're starting with your first screw. It doesn't matter where it's lined up except where you're screwing. So I have to face right on the line. The line is exposed. Hold it as tight as you can, and just pre-drill, mark a little spot on that span really drill through. That's it. Now I have a mark up there. You can see where I want to go. Get that first hole sticks out. Helps finding a hole better. Right there. Suck that bad boy tight, right where you want it. See, I have a little adjustment here. So now we have one screw in, no key. Fasteners, constantly checking the whole way with your newly added screws that are staying laser accurate to the line that you've created. Laser accurate, baby. That is beautiful. So now I just got the last one in the middle. Now what I have to do, I also threw in this recessed dryer vent. So now I have to connect this piece. I have to come up, through. Wow. Yeah, I have to figure out, because we want to keep this soffit as high as possible. So I have to come up and snake through. Stay within the drop ceiling, I should say. Then the soffit is going to start from here and go all the way. So yeah, I'm going to have to figure that out. That'll be some thinking, but since you have to run it from there up through the wall, poke out the wall, turn, come through that wall, and come all the way into there. I'm going to clean that out, but that's the termination. That should all be up and hidden against the soffit. Got all my material. I'm about to build my pieces here. Tapcon straps that'll hold it for every 2 pipe sections, probably one there, and one over at the end on the inside of the laundry room. So let's get to it. So I've got it nice, straight up, over, up, and into my PVC pipe, and we connect all the way through every single. I just gotta tape this one. I just realized that everything else is screwed, taped together. That one too I have to tape. But once those are taped, this will be 100% done. My line that runs all the way over there comes into the laundry room, boop, 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 boop. Over, down, over, into my wall, down into the recessed dryer vent spot.
Religion can't imagine faith, the fundamental principles. I see no Irish
Siding and rough openings never been simple for you. Hopefully that simplified it just by watching. Mark 82 and whatever you're feeling on each side, and then put a level up whichever side is higher. Go with that one, level it out. That means the ground is high. That's what you're checking for there when you throw the level up. It's how bad the ground's out. So you want at least that where the ground is highest. You want at least the minimum opening at the highest point of the floor, so that whatever happens when you install the floor, there's a greater gap versus you're shrinking down now because you chose to go to the lowest spot in the floor. So stupid little things.